Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I'll show you the ports and buttons of the Realme 16 Pro Plus phone. Let's start with the right edge of our device. When we look at it, here we have the volume up and volume down buttons for our device. Below, you'll find the power button. Of course, these aren't the only functions that these buttons can perform, because we can also use them to enter recovery mode, and we can also navigate within recovery mode using them. You use these buttons to select an option and this one to confirm it. Moving to the other side of our device, you won't find anything here. There are neither antennas nor any buttons here. At the top of our phone, with the cameras facing me and the screen facing away from me. Starting from the left side, here we find the microphone. Here we have the microphone of our device. Next, in this specific area right here, there is this distinctively shaped, elongated opening. This is the primary speaker of our phone, and right over here is the very last hole. This is the speaker's dedicated ventilation hole, which is designed so that the sound coming from the speaker spreads much better and clearer. That's the technology. Here at the front, of course, there is also a speaker. In this spot, it also plays music for us, serves as the top speaker, and of course, it's mainly used for phone calls. Moving to the bottom of our phone, again with the camera facing me and the screen facing away from me. Here we find the SIM card slot, which we can open using this little hole right here, the one closer to the edge. We also have a microphone here, which is most often used for phone calls and of course for any video recording. We also have a USB Type-C port here. This is a USB-C 2.0 port. You can use it to charge your device. You can also transfer files to other devices and so on. For example, you can also use this port to transmit audio, for instance to headphones. And here we also have these 4 elongated holes. And this is another speaker of our device, specifically the second bottom speaker. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all from me. I'll say goodbye now. Bye.